Hello crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very cute and very beautiful hexagon box. And I have added some quill flowers to decorate this. And this is a cute with love tag. And when you will open it, you can add any cute gift inside the box. This teddy is also handmade actually. And this is the box which I have decorated with some pattern papers. So without any delay, we will start with the procedure. For this we need some blue shades of 3 mm quilling strips, half cut pearls, any border punch, scissor, liquid glue, quilling tool, rounder, some pattern papers, dark blue, purple and medium blue color sheets. First I am taking this dark blue color thick sheet and I am taking 5 cm radius on my rounder and making one circle. Now just divide the circle in 6 equal parts using the same radius so that we can create our hexagon shape. This sheet is having 400 GSM thickness. So remember, you need to take very thick sheet for the base. Now I am joining all these markings with each other to create hexagon. Now cut this shape using scissors. So this is done. In the same way I have created one more hexagon shape which is having 5.3 cm radius. So that will be the lid and the other will be the base, like this. Now I am taking 6 strips of same sheet which measures 8 by 5 cm and some more strips which measures 3 by 5 cm for the joining, and I have folded this in half. So we will connect the sides of the hexagon like this. So first connect all the connectors with the sides. All 6 sides with the connectors are done. Now I will connect the side with the base like this. So repeat this process for all 6 sides. I have added all 6 sides together and it will look like this when you will join all the sides with each other. Now I am taking one more connector which measures 3 by 8 cm. Just fold this in half. I am chopping the corners. In the same way I created 5 more connectors. So just connect all the sides with these connectors. Now just add glue on other side of the connector and connect with the side panels. So the hexagon base box is ready. Now I am decorating the sides of the box using some pattern papers. So repeat this process for other sides. So after adding all the pattern papers, it will look like this. Now I am adding one more hexagon on the base. Like this. So our base box is ready. Now I am starting with lead. So I am taking these blue color strips for the sides of the lead, which measures 5.3 by 2.5 centimeter, and I will connect like this. So again I have created the connectors. So just repeat the process as we did for the base box. Now I am taking this blue color paper which measures 5 by 2.2 centimeters, and I am adding this medium blue color on the sides of the box. This time I am not using decorative paper. Now I am adding the designer paper or decorative paper on top of the box lid. Like this. So lid with the box is ready. Now we will decorate this. So I'm decorating the top and the bottom of the box using some designer border punch. If you don't have border punch, you can also decorate this with some laces or crochet lace or designer tape, anything. In the same way, I will connect the border in the bottom. So this is done. With the same procedure, I have added border on the lid as well. So the box and lid are ready. Now I am creating some quilling flowers. First I am showing this petal. I am taking my bottle cap and one blue color strip and just wrapping the strip around the bottle cap and creating the ring. My one strip length is 45 centimeter. Secure the end and make a drop shape like this. Now I am taking white color strip and making some beehives using beehive technique. Like this. Now I am filling this drop shape using the beehive shapes. So this is done. Now I am taking one white color paper sheet and adding this petal on top of this, so that the background of the petal will look like a white. Cut the excess paper, so petal is ready. In the same way, I have created 4 more petals, so join all 5 petals together to construct the flower. Like this. Let it dry. Now I am making other flower for the center. For this I am taking one strip of medium blue color and making one tight teardrop shape. Like this. So join all 5 petals together and make one more flower. On top of this I am adding this blue color stone. Now I will add this small flower on top of this large flower. So the cute flower is ready. Now I am starting with second flower. For this I am taking one strip of white color and I have connected half strip of dark blue color with this. First I am making one Malaysian flower petal. Now I am wrapping this petal using blue color strip. So petal is done. Now join all 5 petals together. And for the center of the flower I am using half cut pearl. So these cute flowers are also done. Now I am starting with this tiny mini blue color flower. For this I am taking one strip of blue color and making one tight leaf shape. like this. Now join all 4 petals with each other. And adding one half cut pearl in the center. So these flowers are also done. Now I am starting with leaf. For this I am taking light blue color strip and making one bended leaf shape. In the same way I have created some more leaves, and I have also created double loop scrolls using dark blue and medium blue strips. If you want to learn these scrolls, I have given link in description box. You can learn from that link. So all the shapes are done. Now we will decorate the lid of the box. I am adding this 4 cm radius hexagon on top of this. I have created this hexagon using white color sheet. Like this. Now I am just arranging all the flowers, leaves and scrolls one by one. I have created this cute with love small tag using blue and black color sheet, and I have added one blue color thread with this. So I am just joining this tag behind the flower like this. Now adding scrolls and leaves. Now I am adding some half cut pearls on other corner. So the decoration is done. So the beautiful hexagon box is ready. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.